Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 12, how to offset between two objects. As example, I will create object in here. You can draw lines and then copy the line object. And another I will use polyline. Okay, we create a simple sketch. And the next you can offset these objects to here. Now, if you want to create offset between these two objects in the center, you can type offset, press enter, and in here I will use call option. You can type quote, call, press enter, and then type DEE, okay, divide 2, press enter again. Now you can select endpoints. I will select these endpoints and also in here. The next I will select these objects and then offset into here. So it will be create the offset between the two objects. How about in this example, we can use midpoint tools. You can tap offset again, quote, call, press enter, and then for expressions, open bracket, midpoint plus midpoint, close bracket, divide 2, press enter. Okay, we'll select at midpoint in this line and also in the top here. So you can click again in the top and then select these objects, offset to the center. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 12, how to offset between two objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.